Welcome to the final video in the .joke generator series. The website looks great, but the Get New Joke button is just for show right now. It's time to add the functionality using JavaScript. This is where the magic happens. First, we need to tell JavaScript which parts of our HTML page we want to interact with. We use document_getElementById to grab our specific paragraph and button elements and store them in constant variables called jokeElement and jokeButton. Now, JavaScript knows exactly where to put the joke and which button to listen to. Next, we write our main function, which we'll call fetchJoke. This function is responsible for communicating with an external source to get a joke. We are using a free service called the .joke API. We mark this function as async because fetching data over the internet takes a moment. We immediately update our joke element text to loading so the user knows something is happening. We wrap our magic logic in a try-catch block. I will add the following lines, after which I will explain what each one means and does. The try block attempts to fetch the data. The await fetch is where we send a request API. We ask for data specifically in JSON format using those headers. Once the data comes back, we simply update the paragraph text with the DataJoke property provided by the API. If anything goes wrong, maybe the internet is down or the API is offline, the catch block runs and we show a friendly error message, oops, failed to load joke. The very last step is connecting the button we styled earlier to the function we just wrote. We add an event listener to our joke button. This tells the browser when a click happens, run the fetchJoke function. And one crucial step we forgot is linking our JavaScript file to the index.html file. And that's it. Our website is now fully functional. Let's click the button and see our hard work pay off. Awesome! It works perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and write a comment.